Hey everyone, Kim here, and today I have a very special unboxing. This was sent to me by SpeedStacks. Now I've been waiting for this for a while because I've been waiting for it to be released and everything, and I don't think it's fully released yet, at least in the US. I think it is in, was either Australia or New Zealand or some other country that I just can't remember right now. But this is the, if I believe, the StackStation plus some other stuff. But let's get this open because I know I'm probably delaying this. I'm out of breath because I had to carry everything, it's heavy. Be very safe with knives, children, if you're going to open boxes. Okay, wow. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh man, there's a lot in here. Alright. Cool. Alright, I got a little note here. I won't show all of it. Thanks, and we hope you enjoy your SpeedStacks gear. Thank you, SpeedStacks. Appreciate it. Let's open the first box. I hope I'm fitting in frame. I haven't really checked my camera, so. Okay. Alright. I like it already. So, the first thing I got is a tournament display cord. I did need one, so that's nice. So that's the first thing. Then, we have a new timer, and my old one has been malfunctioning a bunch, so this is definitely appreciated. All nice and pretty. And then, of course, whoop. And finally, one of the coolest things out of all this. This new black hex mat. This is really, really nice. I really like this. I think this is really, really cool. But that's nice. But now, to what you've all probably been waiting for, which might take me some effort to get out of the box. The StackStation itself. Now, there will be like an official box for this, I think. I'm not sure. But this is what they gave me now, as you can see. Position it. StackStation like this, StackStation right there. I'm not going to try to move this too much because I don't want to break anything. Okay. Alright, now, let's get to... How am I going to open this box? Alright, here we go. Oh, it gave me a screwdriver. Thank you. Alright, so here is the entire setup. And it actually gave me a screwdriver. And, of course, the only other thing they throw into the box. Yeah, Stacking League sticker. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Head, or the actual station part of this. Okay, first off, I should say, the model on this looks very pretty. I will bring it camera in just a moment so I can get it all out. Oh, there we go. That looks really nice. Alright. Look at that. That is the front, and that is the back. StackStation P18215, made in China. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so there is the leg right there. I think that's a sticker that I could probably peel off if I wanted to, but see a little Stack Fast logo, and then got this metal bar. Alright, and there is this leg. Now this leg has something different. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be, but it has this little extension thing on it. I guess we're gonna find out. I really hope there's like instructions to this. There isn't. Cool. Alright, now we're going to attempt to build this monstrosity. They gave me a very small screwdriver, so I might just use my own, but we'll see. Alright, now I have, do these have indications of, okay, so this is one, so I'm supposed to put this in which direction? Like I said, no instructions, so I kind of have to figure this out myself. Okay. Oh, I might need this one actually. Let's find out. I'm kind of just gonna go on a limb with these legs. Okay, I really can't screw this in. Are there different screws or something? I do not appreciate not having instruction speed stacks. Story of my life. So how's this supposed to go in? Okay, first off, it's not working. No instructions. Nothing. Running in here. No. Any in here? No. Man, I am really kind of boned on this one. Alright, cool. I assume they probably think that you're smart enough to put this together by yourself. I think Speed Stacks has forgotten who I am. So the first one's there. There's only one screw in there, so. Okay, so that's definitely not the right way. Like I said, I'm really good at building things. So I'm probably very wrong whilst doing this. "17 minutes, okay. 3. Okay. Good. Alright. Let's continue with leg number 3. I think I might actually be right for once. Luckily, they label the legs so you know which way you're supposed to be facing. Or not, which legs go where, not where they're supposed to be facing. And if in case you couldn't tell, I have had a hard time figuring that out. So I'm gonna just put in a couple more screws and kind of just lift this up and hope I did it right. Oh, I get this part now, the little part, the leg that had the extension. That's for the tournament display. I'm like, what is that? Alright. Oh, I think I did it. Alright. We got it. Let me fix the camera there, because oh no, that's good. Alright. Alright, let's tilt the camera up. Alright, so I think we actually got it all right. What a miracle. That is great. Alright, so I got a tournament display head here. I'm just going to put this in the front. I don't have batteries for it. Oh, right, they gave me the box. Maybe I can make that work. I'm not sure if this is long enough, but we're going to try. That looks pretty cool. See that, boys? That is a table. In case you couldn't guess. Speaking of tournaments, I just came back from the Best Western tournament down in Maryland. And I got 5, boys. Remember that? Yeah! Alright. We're all good. So let's give this a shot. Let's do, if I can clear the scene here, our first stacks with the new stack station. Not very exciting, but honestly, it's not too bad. Now, it's wobbly because I'm on carpet, so I assume that once I get all the other things screwed in, because they aren't screwed in yet, the other screws put in, once I get those put in, and once I actually put this on actual ground, this will be a lot more stable and everything. But yeah, this has been really, really cool. I'm happy to have like an actual designated table for stacking. That's really cool. And I will probably do a full review of the stack station once I have everything cleared out and all that. And yeah, that's where we're going to end off this video, guys. I didn't receive another stack station in the box, so don't worry. I didn't get 2 like I was promised. I was way too excited about that. Or at least I haven't gotten the second one yet. Maybe I'm getting the second one at a later time. I doubt it, though. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stack fast!